For this video, I am going to teach you how to convert currency in your calculator app on your iPhone. So the process is fairly simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply go into your calculator app in your iPhone. So you can also access that once you go onto your control center and just tap onto this icon right here. So now once you are in your calculator app, what you need to do right here is to locate the same icon or calculator icon. It should be situated on the lower left corner of your screen, and then once you have tap onto it, then this option will appear. So then what you need to do is to simply toggle on this convert option that you have right here, and then this section will appear. So for the first one, this is the currency that you'll convert from, and then the currency that you'll convert it into. So for example, I have here a PHP or Philippine peso, and I am going to convert it into a USD or US dollars. So I'm just going to type in first two, and then for as you see right here, for 2 peso it is equivalent to a 0.04 USD. So now if you want to change the currency, you can simply do that by tapping onto this part right here, and then the options that you have will appear on your screen by doing so. So once you scroll down, you just need to select the currency that you want to use. So I'm just going with, for example, right here, Singaporean dollar, and I'm going to convert it into Vietnamese dong. So let's say, so there you go. It will automatically apply, or the changes will be automatically applied into your converter on your calculator. Now, if you want to switch things up or to switch the amounts that you have for the upper and the lower part of your calculator, you can do so by simply tapping onto this switch icon situated on the left side part of your screen. So once you have done that, the amounts will exchange, or the amounts will switch just like so. And you can not only convert currency, you can go for data if you want to, energy, force, and up to the weight. So if, for example, if you want to know the conversion for kilogram, or how many kilogram equates for a pound, so you can do so, or you can use that feature right here. So that's basically it. That is how you can convert currency in a calculator app on an iPhone. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great